Attention automotive shop owners. Get ready for 2025 with Drive's new master workshops designed just for you. We've added 3 exciting new master workshops to our best in the industry catalog of auto shop management training. First up, crafting business plans that win investors and secure loans. Learn the essentials of creating a business plan that attracts funding and supports expansion goals. Next, we have employee benefit solutions for shops. Discover strategies to attract and retain top talent by offering the benefits that matter most. And finally, expanding your auto repair shop. Thinking about opening multiple locations? We'll cover everything from budgeting to the realities of managing multiple shops. Whether you're looking to grow, recruit, or secure funding, Drive has you covered. Spaces are limited. Sign up today to transform your shop's future with Drive's Master Workshops.